Looking for ways to improve your team performance? We offer customized in-house training programs tailored to your organizational needs. Our in-house training courses include HR, job evaluation, salary structure design, writing job descriptions, and more. Labor law, employee discipline, company policy, employment contracts. Taxation, handling BIR audits, VAT, withholding taxes, common errors of accountants, and updates. Accounting, understanding financial statements, accounting for non-accountants, Excel for accounting and finance. Supply chain management, inventory planning and control, warehouse management, modern procurement. Soft skills, work attitude and values, telephone and email etiquette, and more. Plus, we cover sales, customer service, credit, and collection, through our comprehensive corporate training services. Call Powermax Consulting Group today at 028-470-1055, 40917305-7276. Just ask for Lule. Visit our website at pmxtraining.com, or check out our Facebook page at PowermaxBH.